Every single day, Ghana for omo ewa abrochwe. Womo frame ya womo se melodies. Ghana for no katro mu me was Spain. Yawie no enya grow na wo bia frame melodies me wo Germany. Katre Ghana for yawie no enya grow de eye yen wa ha no. Na wo bia frame wo America melodies katre Ghana for na yawie no senia edi yenya wa ha no enye easy. Na wo bia frame from Italy. As a melodies katre Ghana for yawie no de eye no enye easy. Yakoye say I don't know. Story be a matse and the sisia we a matse story na me say me fa metu munim na membo so entremo no. Te say ama me moja ehuru akosro a etie for me twen ho kra me ntia ase. Etie for ya say kaya yo ni bi a woti old fadama. Kaya yo a woti old fadama. Eye em say me ni mem say old fadama ho na friend ni ma o se den no. Obi a woye kaya yo a woti ho. Ya test no ama na say coronavirus test na ye test no yes sa kaya yo ni no. Edan ya wotim wone nkrofo more than 15 and it is adan ni mo. E na ye coronavirus test yi ma no. Ye test no say kaya yo we nya coronavirus no. Ye ni so betete ye no na kaya yo no we dwane. Just say we free baby a wotini na we dwane na just say ye hwehwe no she's on the run. Ye hwehwe na ye hu no. Na meti asem na me say asem ben kreni dabio say when your coronavirus udwane like udwane ayeden eye etimode anase boapayo wodi dwane say wo sheda de akosan nkrofo anase sabin prebiasa eye school sabe I want to mind my language but asem na ma me buafu too much asem na ma me buafu too much sabin prebiasa is it the illiteracy or what? Ya test na when your coronavirus. When your coronavirus na aban ebe chill. Ni ya quarantine o. Eno po de bia ye be feed you. Ya de obekwa kwotena baby ni ya quarantine na de bia ye feed you. Wo mpe. We dwane akohe. Udwane akohe. When ya yawe no udwane akohe. Why are you running to? Ya yawe bia ube won say ye the sign crofo sana we temale and also sa wo binya yawe no wo ho wo dwane ye efri temale ho ye ni so tete ye na ne bako no baba bedu akra se ne bako no free temale ebedu akra no na ye obi anwanwa it imagine se ne bako no free temale ebedu akra no nkrofo a wode yawe no asan e wo kwan so wo dwane ageden Ujani apeden, like why are you running? Why? Meti asem na ye me yasa me say Dabi, this news I don't want to believe it. Me say Dabi, madam fu bi na yi me asotwe say asem na ba na me say Dabi, news no I don't want to believe it. And I will share link. Join news for Woman posti Ghana for air comment wa asem ne so Ghana for ni abuefu. We shall join news now. We post you say 2 persons who tested positive for coronavirus at Old Fadama here in Accra are on the run. Not just any nipa ba kumpo. Join news for posting was in mienu. They are on the run. Ya show them for 3 days ni after confirmation of their results. 3 days ni ya show them wo mo dwane. Omo dwane. Ena de ya tekran ne say some from you baby I want to say me didn't control say they live in a room with 15 other people no sa nkrofo mo omo te sa room nim no so no ya say ya pese ye take omo sample ni ekoya test wo mo so say wo mo mpene ye ekoya test no mo ye hwe say yare no wo mo so ewobi na ya so mo yare ya etumi aso mo no anana aban ebe hwe omo ayetumi ahwe omo no wo mo say dabi wo mo mpene ma aban and take wo mo samples and konko ye testing hwe say yare no mo obi ano mo ni bi aden what is going on? Is it sheer ignorance and ankrofo ede ye we ya na say den when you yare we ya why will you run? Dabio, it's 2% who Jania now and Casayariano or the Quasan for and as a who Jania, na Yariano Malco Yemene, O Croma, no woo, and I said day. Yaria Bonnie Bisaya Abba, Unya Yariano Moa, Satan mom, and I was out to me fret a buying near quarantine or no, Jania for peday, Jania for yeday, Jania for him. Ah, why are people selfish this way? Why are people so selfish? I just don't understand. Why are people so selfish? Ujani, now bones, Uda Quaco ya brewabi, Yena say Brewane Cocrafono, Yawe woman to me. Uda Quaco Sanya Brewane Acocrebi, Ubonse, no, just say, Wokunipano. Unya Yawe, you could just be at one place near Babe Falco, no one say one fan sign you be a Ujani ada Quasan for what about the cum innocent people keke. A dear crania. Oh, a dear crani. Ah, and I sometimes to me my Ghana, just say, woman penny bressa. But to me, woman penny bressa. We be in case a touch wood, we be in case NC, but wait, what they was sign for, not the number of deaths, a costra, who bones a woman penina near the Bonichi. Say, and a woman penino, and I want to turn Yama Yena Ghana for Bebreu, woman penino, now so, yan cassa, yenipano, yakahubi. Shenipa way say. And people will sit somewhere and come and bash the president if things go worse. And then, yeah, why? 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 Ujani akohe. Into your commenter, join news for posting a day where you're ever. Send a meeting country on a Ghana for be brave fool. Or they say, running where? I don't understand this. And only asema will be aircan. Or they will say, God have mercy. Where? Old Fadama, Or they say, running away for your own sake. Ignorance, and also near summer will be can say, into Jania Ujani, Ujania Quacojiden. And yet pure ignorance. Obi say, with knowledge brings understanding. This they don't have. Not just say, in Grofu woman in him dear into woman sin semina say, and also near summer will be aircan. What like what? Radio Christo. Asana me yao. Asana ya me ya too much. Aye me ya to say me dwun ho kra menti ase. Obi so say, why do people run? Why exactly? Just like me. Me ya sure say wo kra wo tie no won tie ase. Like why? Aden like erade be hwe manage yen yo. Me buafu too much. Na me bufu a enesa mekasa. Because ebia na makokan bibie enu me ho. Why? Like what? Again na namu oh irade aseme nkeni. Again na namu trim. Eden na nipa daseni sebe mprediasa nipa daseni a nyansa wo wutrim eden na beba also say menya yawe minjane like what mesre answer me what eden na mutrim just say, bon, yeah, they be your politicians, na to they be a woman, nyama be a woman, but you see, things like this, Emma Womotana, and no crack on ya, sometimes Womutu me, nyama be ever my flimsy excuses be no, because the bone is oh, Ghana, no, they don't him. Over to me, BBC, ya. You be we are sick a clamor when you then own him, Massa, forget to own him, share. Where are you running to? Ujani Akwen. Who are you running to? At least for what I know, no. Omwa Ghana for enya yarewe ya quarantine omono. They are all being treated well. Me tie interview bi. Papa bia tema. He was one of the Onona Ghana, the first Ghanaian na ye recorded say wonya coronavirus no. City FM for interview no. Na wo tie nsem wa papa ne kra wo kan. Otunu say yes, wo mompo de wo like ye omonika edge asen Ghana fo no. E come de wa ye ma je say de bia wo wo no e come de ya quarantine mo, e come de wa ye mamo, de mo pe bia ye mamo. The mom will draw mu live fine, mu ye bibia fine. It is how ya kaya yo ni na ende wajuma say na wombre na wenya yare na. At least this is the time aban ebe take good care of you. Inti jane na wu jane no, wu jane ageden. Jane na wu jane no, wu jane ageden. Enu unti wo bia sema wo bekan wo say that is how backward in thinking we are as a country. Since we chose not to disclose the identity of the affected persons. And also ne asema wo bi kan say yes, wait tre senya Ghana sebe yen dwen enko enim, ebi mo endwen enko enim. Asem we ayame ya papa. Ayame ya. Yes, nim nkofo people me say lockdown we me say me frame and that me share that na say inti mo be notice and me share that post here because and me plan say oh me frame now for nia na me ni omo edi nkomo na me bisa me now for mo Ghana ha say na me bisa den na ekoso inti and me sorry ye no me now for nia me wo mo contact wo me phone so na me ye video call. Na me ye video ko ni omo kasa etesen na wotie me namfo bebre nsema wo mo kan ya pa me efie adwuma mu ya pa me obi a kan se ya pa me na efie adwuma mu bebre madam Fubi wo frɛ me last 2 days kan se challenge sisi ade adwuma ayese na wabo obi nso ayenim no se ni pakono kra frɛ no akata ne se ye lay omo off na wabo we din say we nso akan say ye lay omo off na osi o mate say we kra computer say people are just losing a year here and there and that na me ma me kra twetwe ho nkomo ena na me ma me kra ka ho asem say hey isi ade wo mo ye adwuma e wo public sector no mom na tre say wo mo nyom trade di mu private sector ne de do na ye sake nkrofo hotels akese nkrofo aye sake enye easy because yen ya nim say yare we say na abey aha nkrofo but stay at home when ya yare na u pia bonten akwakoye den u dwane akwakoje den u kopɛ den me boefu pa anhwe ya mekasa ma ensem eni kwanse meka no makwa akoka we ni aka ho bi ye ka ho bi Ghana yangasa the politicians don't help us sometimes but yangasa so ye ka ho bi he embra President Akufo-Addo emma ekwan dey mu ansa na lockdown no Ghana fo wo mo won kran efefa wo mo nyama se wo mo utu kwan omututu kwan akọ the other places are locked down no any no asema meka ne say enche to say all the other regions so me start say we record the coronavirus na meka asem no in the 2 weeks impo enra latest report are eba first na Ashanti region any upper west so say northern region hono any Kumasi pe na ya recorded. Sisi abeye 6 or 7 regions near ya recording, even central region. Ya recording. It was because Ghana for you say ya reaba, ni you say ya lock it down. Wafana nyama se wo tu kwa central region or the yare na ko. Wafana nyama se wo tu kwa ako northern region or tu kwa ako eastern or the yare na ko. And that all the other regions are also coming up. They are also coming up with a sickness. Because yanka scientiasem the same thing they be me betina ha meka the same thing na Italy omonso the time ya ne ba ya ma lockdown no sa e na nkrofo tu kwan free baby ya ma lockdown ne ko other kro ne so and there Italy se ne ato omo the same thing omonso Ghana for yentie yaso den ende he mo tell mo adie for